Buckle up, because today we're diving into a hypercar so audacious, so breathtaking. It redefines what's possible on four wheels, a bright pink Bugatti Tourbillon that hides a secret so wild, it'll leave you speechless until the very end. Welcome to the channel where we live and breathe the world of automotive excellence, from sleek supercars to rugged off-roaders. Today, we're peeling back the curtain on the 2025 Bugatti Tourbillon, a machine that doesn't just push boundaries, it obliterates them. And this one, it's draped in a hue so bold, it demands every eye in the room. Let's dive into what makes this pink masterpiece a legend in the making. First, let's talk about that color. Bright pink isn't just a paint choice. It's a statement. Bugatti's atelier in Moutier, France, has always been about bespoke craftsmanship, and this vibrant shade, let's call it Flamant Rose for a flamingo-like audacity, is a nod to the fearless individuality of its future owner. Only 250 Tourbillons will ever be built, and this particular commission screams exclusivity. It's not just a car. It's a rolling piece of art, a defiance of convention that says, I don't follow trends, I set them. But is this pink just for show, or does it hint at something deeper? Stick with me, because the answer will blow your mind. Let's start with the heart of the Tourbillon, because this is where Bugatti rewrites the rulebook. The Chiron's iconic quad-turbo W16 is gone, replaced by an 8.3-liter naturally aspirated V16 engine, crafted with the wizards at Cosworth. This isn't just an engine, it's a mechanical symphony. Revving to a spine-tingling 9,000 RPM, it pumps out 986 horsepower on its own, nearly matching the original Veyron's output without a single turbo. But Bugatti didn't stop there. 3 electric motors, 2 up front, 1 at the rear, add another 789 horsepower, bringing the total to a staggering 1,775 horsepower. That's enough to make your head spin faster than the car's 276 miles per hour top speed. The hybrid system isn't just about raw power. It's about precision. A 24.8 kilowatt-hour battery, nestled in a T-shaped monocoque for perfect weight distribution, gives you 37 miles of pure electric range. Imagine silently prowling the streets of Monaco in this pink beast, only to unleash the V16's feral roar when the road opens up. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, now mounted longitudinally at the rear, ensures seamless power delivery, propelling the Tourbillon from 0 to 62 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, 0 to 124 miles per hour in less than 5, and all the way to 248 miles per hour in under 25 seconds. With the speed key, it'll hit 276 miles per hour, making it a peregrine falcon among hypercars. But power is only half the story. The Tourbillon's design is a love letter to Bugatti's 115-year heritage, blended with futuristic innovation. The iconic horseshoe grille remains, flanked by slimline LED headlights that evoke the 8-eye look of classic Bugattis. The C-shaped sidelines and central spine pay homage to the Type 57 SE Atlantic, while the single-piece taillight vents hot air with a grace that embodies every Bugatti's mantra. Nothing is too beautiful. The chassis, crafted from aerospace-grade carbon composite, integrates a battery and air ducts as structural elements, shaving weight to make the Tourbillon 150 pounds lighter than the Chiron. And those dihedral doors? They don't just look cool, they rise to preserve aerodynamic flow, while making entry a breeze. Step inside, and the Tourbillon feels like a Swiss watch brought to life. The analog instrument cluster, built by Concepto with over 600 components, mimics the precision of a Tourbillon watch mechanism, hence the car's name. Titanium gauges, crystal glass, and a fixed-up steering will keep the driver's focus razor-sharp. A retractable high-definition screen offers modern connectivity, but disappears in 5 seconds to maintain that timeless aesthetic. The seats fix the floor like a race car, paired with adjustable pedals and steering for a cockpit that feels bespoke to your body. Every detail, from the machined aluminum console to the leather-wrapped surfaces, screams luxury without sacrificing performance. Now let's talk engineering. The suspension, developed with Divergent Technologies, uses AI-designed 3D printed aluminum components that are 45% lighter than the Chiron's. This isn't just tech for tech's sake. It translates to razor-sharp handling and a ride that balances comfort with track-ready precision. The Tourbillon's monocoque, with its integrated battery and 3D printed braces, is a structural masterpiece, ensuring rigidity while keeping weight down. And that diffuser? It doubles as a crash structure, proving Bugatti's obsession with form following performance. So why pink? Beyond its visual punch, this color choice hints at a deeper story. Bugatti's history is filled with bold clients. Think Etteri's own flamboyant designs or the vibrant liveries of the 1920s racers. This Tourbillon, rumored to be a one-off commission, could be destined for a collector who wants to stand out in a world of muted hypercar hues. But here's the kicker, and this is a secret I tease at the start. Sources on X whisper that this pink Tourbillon isn't just a showpiece. It's reportedly being prepped for a record-breaking attempt at the Nürburgring, aiming to shatter production car lap record. Imagine that. A bright pink hypercar, screaming to the green hell at over 1,700 horsepower, rewriting history. We won't know until Bugatti confirms, but the thought alone is electrifying. At 3.8 million euros, roughly $4.1 million, this Tourbillon is a seven-figure dream, and with only 250 units, it's as exclusive as it gets. But it's more than a car, it's a statement of intent. Bugatti, now in the Bugatti Rimac group, could have gone all-electric like the Rimac Nevera. Instead, they doubled down on emotion, crafting a V16-powered hybrid that sings the soul of every car enthusiast. This pink example? It's the boldest expression of that vision. A hypercar that doesn't just turn heads. It stops time. As we wrap up, I want to hear from you. What do you think of this bright pink Tourbillon?